Hi and welcome back again. In this video we're going to talk about using photo galleries in WordPress, how to add photos to your photo gallery, how to resize the photos for your gallery. And for today's lesson I'm going to be using this website as an example. This is Justice Elizabeth's website. She's Justice of the Peace and she does a great job with every wedding that she does. Have a look at jpliz.com. So for her gallery, on her page, she has not only one photo gallery, but multiple albums. Within WordPress, the photo gallery plugin that we use, you can have more than one gallery, more than one album, which is really, really nice. And you can have as many photos in each of them as you want. So just as an example, I'm going to show you how to firstly resize photos for your gallery. And that's an important step because a lot of times folks will try to upload photos to their gallery, but they're way too big, and WordPress won't upload them because they're 10, 11, 12 megs a piece. So it's really important to make sure that you're using the right size photo, not only file size, but dimensions too. So just as an example, this photo on the screen right now is more than 5,000 pixels wide. For a photo for a gallery, you really don't want it to be any more than 1,200 pixels wide, and 11 megs is way too big. So a program that I use to resize photos for photo galleries is called Easy Thumbs, and you can download that from Google. And in fact, I'll show you the website right here. It's Fuchs.com is where you can download it. And I'll post this link on the WordPress lessons page when I add this lesson down here, number 7. I'll post it right under there so you can have that link. But Easy Thumbs is a really great program. I highly recommend it. You can not only resize a photo, but you can resize multiple photos, hundreds of them all at once if you want to. And I'll show you how to do that now. So using Easy Thumbs, I'm going to go ahead and open that program here. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is choose where the files are, where the photos are that you want to resize. So I'm going to just choose desktop here. And let me see, what do I got? There we go, large photos. I'm going to use these. And then it shows you those photos here. You can even do a preview of them if you want. You can see that it's so big I can't even get a proper preview. But next setting that you're going to want to set here is the destination. So once they're resized, where are you going to save them? So under Save In, and I've already created a folder called Resized within my large photos folder. So I'm just going to choose Resized because that's where I want them to go, and choose OK. Next is under Settings. Here you're going to set a maximum width, and I'm just going to set 1200. This prefix right here just creates _TN at the end of the file name so that you know that it's the resized photo. You don't have to do that if you're putting them in a totally different folder after they're resized, but it's good because when you upload them onto the web, you'll know that those are the resized ones based on the file name. So you set your maximum width. You can leave the prefix as is. JPEG quality, I usually just leave it as 100%. And then that's all. Then you can choose Make All, and it makes all of your photos all at once. And it shows you the progress right down here. It's processing 1 out of 12. And as it creates them, it puts them in that folder automatically for you. So I'm just going to open up Resized, and you can see slowly but surely they're adding themselves in there. There you go. Not doing anything, just sitting here. And these photos are being resized for me right now. All right, so once all your photos are done, then you're going to want to upload them to your photo gallery. So let me go ahead into the website and I'll show you how to do that part. So I'm going to go ahead into the admin here, and I'm going to click on Photo Gallery right down here on the left. So now you can see these are all of the galleries in her website. And if we wanted to add additional photos to an existing gallery, we simply choose the gallery that we want to add photos to, and then we choose Add Images. When you choose Add Images, then you'll be prompted to select Upload your photos from your computer, or you can choose photos that are already uploaded to your website. You can create a brand new gallery by choosing over here on the left, add galleries or add images. And I'll just show you that real quick. So if I want to add a brand new gallery, I can name it. I'll just do test for now. And then I'm going to upload images to that gallery. And then if I choose upload, I'm going to browse my computer. I'll go to my desktop where those photos are that I just created. And there we go, resized, and they've all been resized. So I'm just going to hit Control A on my keyboard to select all of them. Or you can also choose one and then Shift the last one to choose all of them. So I'm going to open, and it's going to upload those photos into the gallery. It shows you the progress bar down here so you can see that they're being uploaded, which is really nice. And then once that's uploaded, and then I'll show you a couple more settings that you can do here in the gallery. You can give them names, you can give them, tags or titles for SEO purposes if you want to, which is really nice. So I'll show you that. So now that I've uploaded those, now I can select whichever ones I want to add to the gallery by holding down my Shift key. I can select more than one. And I'm just selecting all these photos that I've created, and I'm going to add selected images to the gallery. So now they're all in there. And here we can change our title, and you can put your title as whatever you want it to be. You can do a title for each one individually, which is really nice. And there, my gallery has been created, but how do I add it to a page? So first things first, let me save this. And then I want to add it to a page. So what I'm going to do is go out to Pages, and I can either add it to that existing gallery, or for the purpose of this lesson, I'll go ahead and add a brand new page. But essentially, it's the same way. You're going to add this to an existing page or to a brand new page the same exact way. So I'm simply going to call this test. And then I want to add a photo gallery to the page. So I'm going to use this little icon right here, Insert Photo Gallery. And if I click on that, and then it lets me choose the gallery of my choice. And I'm just going to do test because that's the one that I just created. And all I'm going to do is insert that onto the page. And then I'm going to publish this test page. And it's not going to show up on her main nav. It's just going to be here for me for a test. So I'm going to go ahead and view that page. There's the gallery. Done and ready to view. And if I click on any one of these, then it loads that image up larger so we can see it. Beautiful, pretty. If you choose this little info icon, then it'll show you the title that you added there and other information about the photo. Again, you can adjust that in the photo gallery settings, which is really nice. You can also reorder these images too. So if I go back and edit that page and I want to modify, I'll just click on that little icon. So now let's see, I can sort the images by title, by the date, by the name, by the type. So yeah, you can reorder based on all of these different options. That's the pro version. So they have different views. If you buy the professional version of this gallery, there's a lot of different things that this thing can do. Yeah, check that out. Pro version is fun because it does a lot of neat things. Let's see. Oh, you can choose how many images you want to show per page and per column, which is really nice. So if I want, 7 per column or, 50 per page, I can set that right here. You can set the thumbnail dimension to be larger or smaller, which is really nice. And then when you're done adjusting, and making changes, just choose Update, and it'll automatically save your changes for you. And then just update your page, and then you're good to go. And then choose Update. So that is how you add and edit photos to a gallery. If anybody has any suggestions for future videos or lessons that you want to learn more about in WordPress, give us a shout out, contact us, email us, and let us know. Thanks for watching.